Well, after her office, her residence in Mumbai is also now under BMC lens, is what we are given to understand. And this is her residence in Khar area of Mumbai. BMC has filed a fresh appeal in court to vacate a stay order. In fact, this is related to demolition of an alleged illegal alteration in her residence in Khar. And this case dates back to 2018, and as per the BMC, Kangana had done at least 8 illegal alterations to her house in Khar as well. This is separate from the office in Bandra that we were talking about. This is another property that belongs to Kangana Ranaut, and this time it's her residence in Khar. The fresh appeal in this case was filed by BMC on Monday. So information now coming in that BMC has filed a fresh plea related to Kangana's house. BMC's plea is to vacate the stay order. BMC says 8 illegal alterations done at residence, and case of illegal alterations has been in court since the year 2018, and therefore files a fresh appeal on the 8th of September. Let's listen into what Sanjay Raut meanwhile has to say on this ongoing feud between the two sides.
हमारे लिए अभी वो शिवसेना का विषय नहीं है, वो बीएमसी का विषय है। आप बोलेंगे अब बीएमसी में शिवसेना की सत्ता है, वहाँ एक लीगल डिपार्टमेंट है। आप उस बारे में आप वहाँ के कमिश्नर, वहाँ के मेयर से बात कर सकते हैं।
Neha Kulkarni is outside Kangana's office. Neha, so at this point, of course, BMC has completed the kind of demolition that it set out to do yesterday of those illegal portions in the office. The matter is being heard in court after BMC has submitted an affidavit. From the point of view of Kangana Ranaut, what is the perspective you are getting? Because clearly the actor is fuming at this point of time for the kind of damage that she's had to suffer.
Afrida, let us quickly take our viewers to what exactly is happening outside her office right now on the Pali Hill. The police patrolling over here has suddenly increased, if we can say. Remember, they were scattered before, but now they are standing here in a queue. They've again asked the media to go to the other side of the road, and the traffic movement in any way should not be stopped. But as you can see, these are the live visuals which my video journalist Ashish is showing, how this road has been kind of kept free for the movement of any other persons from either Kangana's team or Kangana herself. So we exactly don't know who will be coming from her team here, but what we are showing you is how the police presence has suddenly been increased now, because we are expecting a movement here of someone from the Kangana's team to come here and perhaps take a visit around the office area and premise. Remember, because this is the exact office where this demolition happened. Let's also show our viewers what exactly is happening in the Bombay High Court right now is about this demolition, this specific demolition that the BMC undertook here. This is the outer premise of Kangana's office on the Pali Hill, for which the High Court hearing is on right now, and how the BMC's affidavit was read out to you all before. But this is the demolition that we are showing you that the BMC undertook. Even inside Afrida, a lot of her property, worth crores of her property, was demolished within 2 hours.
Okay, thanks Neha for joining us. We have breaking information coming in, fresh developments coming in from the Bombay High Court. Neha, interrupting you here to go to the update from the Bombay High Court. We have breaking news coming in. Kangana has made false, baseless and unwarranted allegations of harassment and malafides, and she should not be permitted to seek protection for such unlawful work by approaching the Bombay High Court. This is the submission on the part of the BMC in its affidavit to the Bombay High Court. Remember, the High Court had earlier placed a stay order on the demolition in her office in Bandra, and this affidavit has now been accessed by Mirror Now. BMC's affidavit says that Kangana made false and baseless, unwarranted allegations of harassment and malafides. Actually, what was done was the due process of law, and therefore she should not be allowed to seek protection for such unlawful work. Disha has sent us this update. Let's quickly go across to her. Disha, over to you for the details on this, please.
Has accessed the BMC's affidavit here that has been filed and submitted to the Bombay High Court. And clearly there are these two important updates that we are bringing to light here for our viewers. First and foremost, the BMC in the affidavit before the Bombay High Court says petition by Kangana and the release sought constitute an abuse of process, as the record establishes that as part of work was ongoing in the premises, says she unlawfully made substantial alterations. Another important, sentence and that's important to highlight right now is the fact that the BMC further said that Kangana has made false, baseless and unwarranted allegations of harassment and malafide, and she should not be permitted to seek protection for such unlawful work by approaching the Bombay High Court. So here clearly it means that despite several strong statements coming in from the Bombay High Court yesterday, BMC is sticking on their grounds. According to them, the action of demolition, what they did is not wrong, and it is instead it's instead Kangana who is making these false allegations of harassment and of malafide, and she should not be permitted to seek protection for such unlawful work by approaching the Bombay High Court. So this, of course, comes to light when yesterday the court put a stay on the demolition of her office to the BMC. Categorically, BMC was asked to file an affidavit and seek a response stating that how come a civic body entered the premises when the owner was not present. And this was observed in several occasions when the BMC team reached on 8th of September to inspect. Very next day, of course, a notice was issued, and yesterday, without giving or granting any further time, her office premises, the illegal portions were demolished without the owner being present. So, of course, now we are waiting further details of what the BMC has really said to the court. And currently the hearing is going on, and it will be very significant to note what the Bombay High Court really says.